Good morning students of class 8. Today I have to going to start understanding quadrilaterals chapter number 3. Okay. First of all, we have to discuss about polygons. What is mean by polygon? A polygon is a simple closed curve made up of only line segments. A simple closed curve made up of only line segments is called a polygon. Okay, for example, now look at here. This is a simple closed curve made up of three line segments. For example, this is also be a polygon. Why? Because it is also a closed figure, but it is not a simple. So this is called polygon, and this is not a polygon. Okay, now circle. It is a closed figure, but it is not made up of line segments, so it is also be not a polygon. Okay, a polygon means a polygon is a closed figure made up of only line segments. For example, this is a polygon, but this is not a polygon. This is also be not a polygon. Okay, only when the polygon is made up of simple closed curve made up of only line segments, then that is called a polygon. Okay, now some different classification of polygons are there. Look at, if number of sides are 3, then that is called a triangle. If number of sides are 4, then that is called quadrilateral. Number of sides are 5, then it is called pentagon. Okay, number of sides is 6, then it is called hexagon. Number of sides are 7, then it is called heptagon. Number of sides are 8, then it is called octagon. Number of sides are 9, then that is called nonagon. Number of sides are 10, then that is called decagon. Okay, here 3 is called triangle, 4 sides or quadrilateral, 5 sides pentagon, 6 sides hexagon, 7 sides heptagon, 8 sides octagon, 9 sides nonagon, 10 sides decagon. You should remember these classification words. Okay, now diagonals. So in triangle has, for example, I taken triangle. Triangle has how many diagonals? Here any possible diagonals are? No. A triangle has how many diagonals? 0 diagonals. How many diagonals? 0. For example, I have to take one quadrilateral. One quadrilateral has how many diagonals are there? If you observe that diagonal means the joining of two non-conjugative points. Conjugative points means if you observe that these two are conjugative. Why? Because these two is in order. These two also be conjugative. These two also be conjugative. These two also be conjugative. But diagonal means the joining of two non-conjugative points. Understand? The joining of two non-conjugative points. So this is one point and this is not two non-conjugative points. So this is called diagonal, and the joining of these 2 points also be called diagonal. So one quadrilateral has how many diagonals? 2 diagonals. How many diagonals? 2 diagonals. Now I have to take pentagon. Pentagon has how many sides? 5 sides. So the joining of two non-conjugative points are called diagonals. So here observe that these two are diagonals. 1, then look at 2, okay, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if you observe that how many diagonals are here made it, 5 diagonals. Look at here, 5 diagonals. Okay, quadrilateral has only 2 diagonals, but pentagon has 5 diagonals. So if this has 4 sides, this has 5 sides. So how do we recognize number of diagonals without you have to draw without draw a diagram? One formula is there for finding a number of diagonals. Finding a diagonals, the formula is n into n minus 3 by 2. Formula is n into n minus 3 by 2 for find number of diagonals. Number of diagonals. For finding a number of diagonals, formula is n into n minus 3 by 2. If number of sides are 4, here we will get 4 into 4 minus 3 by 2. That equals to 4 into 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So what is answer? 2 diagonals. If number of sides are 5, then you have to substitute 5 here. 5 into 5 minus 3 by 2. That means 5 into 5 minus 3 is 2 by 2. 2 to cancel, so 5 diagonals. So in this way you have to calculate number of diagonals for each and every polygon. Okay, this is our topic of introduction. Thank you.